This is the BJF elevator at Macy's, which used to be Famous-Barr, St. Louis Galleria. And as we have to say in all the videos here, this mall used to, big bump. This mall used to have a Nordstrom, but due to blank coming in via the Metrolink from East St. Louis and delinquent shrinkers like Joe Fleischer, the Nordstrom went out of business. This is really a big Jim Fifi elevator out of the Villages, Florida.
Oh, one of the LEDs is out.
Yeah, because it's maintained by the LJF Perman Elevator Company. I guess they became business partners because...
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. I guess LJF and Perman became business partners because they're both short and fugly.
This thing's a piece of crap.
And we're stopping, so we'll probably be ending it here.
Yeah.
This is a very underwhelming elevator, like LJF's Muy Pequeña Vertigo.
Oh my god. Wow. Did it just stop?
No, it's still leveling.
Jeez.
At least I think it is.
Did we just get stuck in this thing? Oh my god.
That's hilarious.
What the fuck? What? Is it just going like very slow?
Maybe?
Because I hear the pump going and it just beeped. Well, this is fun.
Well, at least we've got company. We can talk about again that this is a big Jim Fifi elevator.
Perfect video material.
Yeah.
Oh my lord. I wish that panel was unlocked.
Oh, is it locked?
No one's been able to open it that I know of. Oh my lord.
All right, and so that'll...
So it just basically went leveling the speed all the way to 1. Oh my god.
So, as discussed, that's a big Jim Fifi elevator, and that'll be it.